What we've seen in South Chicago, time after time, is more pollution that endanger the well-being and lives of the most vulnerable communities of color, as I said, that have been affected the most under this pandemic, and is unacceptable that we put more people in further risk. In the morning, the things that's the hardest time is like you just get a little light-headed, I'm really concerned about some people who are there for 27 days. A lot of polluters have affected the area. Now, decades later, we're seeing the implications of this dirty industry in the health and well-being of our residents. There's a lot of remediation work that needs to happen. In the Trump administration, a lot of the EPA regulations were, they were knocked down. A lot of policies that favor extractivism, that favor profit over people. And those are the same policies that allow these permits to fly by the federal EPA, state EPA. And now we're at the city level where we are rejecting the permits based on public health implications. The residents understand the issue better than anyone else. They understand the issue of environmental racism. They understand the issue of job creation and growth. But growth and job creation that is one, respectful and first and foremost, respectful on the health and the well-being and quality of life of residents is fundamental. I urge city council members, I urge the city, the mayor, the governor to take action to reassure people in the community that they will do everything it takes to protect the well-being and lives of the hunger strikers and the community at large in South Chicago